Hello everyone, it's Peter here with GoodyReader.com. This is the Onyx Boox Note S. It's been in our labs in Vancouver and Michael has done some coverage on it. And over here in Japan I'm going to be doing some videos on it. So let's open this up. How do you open this one up? Is it like a conventional lid? It looks like a sleeve. So let's go ahead and pop this open for the first time. Wow, this is going to take some surgical tools here. No, just my little trusty blade. So I think it's like that. Oh yeah. Could have been a surgeon, but I decided not to go to university for 10 years. Man, that would have been tough. Alright, let's slide this open. Okay, I thought so. Good. So, sliding that out, here's the box. It's a little bit of a textured box. You can see right there it's got some feeling to it, so it's very nice. And people think, why are you focusing on the box? When honestly, focusing on the box and the packing materials and stuff really says a lot about the company. It actually does. How thick the box is, if they cheaped out on anything. Look at this, side to side they have this foam insert. It's very thick. It protects your device. You can see the device was pressed right up against it with the little marks after, and that's good because you want your investment to be protected. And all of this has to do with the device and the company that it comes from. Seriously. So put that off to the side for now, and we're gonna look what's in here. It looks like we have a USB and a pen, but just to confirm, boom, USB and a pen. So this is the USB-C. I love how Onyx is one of the only companies to employ USB-C on e-readers. It's fantastic. I think it's very 2018, very futuristic. I love it. And you have the stylus, so you have the single button on the side, button at the back, the little clip, and the nib itself. It does not need to be powered, unlike the Sony DPT CP1 and the RP1, which do need full USB charging. And you have a little envelope here with your warranty information and your guide and all that stuff. It says don't spill anything on it, etc. There's the back, microphone. They've employed a microphone on this. So yeah, it's very, very, very nice. So that Onyx always goes the extra mile to, you know, put different things on their devices. Sometimes they put stereo speakers and you know, headphone jacks and stuff. Just things that other people don't do anymore. And there you go, lo and behold, stereo speakers. And on the bottom you have a USB-C, some screw ports with it for a Torx, a very small Torx to actually open this up if you're willing to and if you're brave enough. You have a microphone, a main button on the bottom there, and of course a flush screen and bezel. So everything, oh, and a power button up top. Everything's really nice here. It's nice and light. It's a small compact shell, and we will get into a full review on this in the very short future, and various other videos like we did with the DPT CP1. We're going to be doing outdoor tests, note-taking tests, different tests all over the place, and then we'll be doing some comparisons. So for GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.